Welcome back to a new video, everybody. And in today's video, as you can all see in the title, it's gonna be that trade breakdown. It's the trade breakdown of my biggest trade yet. It's the first trade of the new year, so I'm gonna break down my first trade that I've taken yet, my only trade that I've taken yet this year. If I do say so myself, we got a nice little winner on our hands. You know what I'm saying? We got a nice little winner. I wanted to explain to y'all exactly how I caught this setup, exactly what I seen that allowed me to take this setup, and exactly how you could take this same exact setup on your own personal time. Like whenever you see it, if you want to take it, go ahead and take it. The setup that I took was a break and retest setup. It was essentially price broke, retested, and then it continued in the direction of the trend. I like to do break and retest. It's very simple, it's very beginner friendly. So if you're new, if you're a beginner, if you just started trading, if you want to learn anything about trading, you gonna want to watch this video. Don't skip. I'm watching all y'all. I'm watching y'all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And yeah, man, we got more content on the way. I'm gonna show y'all. I got the receipts on deck. This is exactly the trade that I took, my first trade of the year. This trade made me $4,000. $4,000 on one move. As you can see, we got GBP CAD up here, and in the bottom left, we also had GBP CAD right here. Now it says sell, market, field, average price. It says update time, so it last updated on the 8th because that's when I collected profits. That's when my TP was hit, was on the 8th up here. January 8th, and gross P&L $4,000, net P&L 4,000, commission 25, whatever. If I keep on going lower, my last trade that I took was on the 9th of December, so pretty much like a whole month since I took a trade. Like, it's been like a month since I took my last trade, and yeah, we started off the year with GBP CAD, and I like to say that it played out pretty good, pretty good. You know, Discord community seen this live in action. I sent the trades in before it happened. I sent this in on the 6th on my Discord community. Now I'm about to go ahead and move my camera back to this side of the screen, or this side. But we about to move our face back over here, and we about to get back into the video. The top down started on the weekly time frame. So I went on the weekly and I identified the trend. What is currently going on? Well, I noticed we are having a bullish trend. You can tell overall price has been going up. You can see right here, even if I did a trend line going through it, like whatever you want to add into it to make it look better for you, do that. But overall, you can see price is bullish. After I identified the trend in the direction that price was going, I next identified the range in which I would be trading in for the week. And when I say range, I just found my current structure points, my current higher high and my current higher low. Now the EMA being this low, it was a confluence to me that price may just want to grab some more energy from the downside. Price may just want to come down here a little bit before pushing up. That was my thoughts for the weekly. The weekly time frame, my thought was, okay, we're at a high. Price just made a bearish engulfed these two weekly candlesticks. And we also had a wick that looked like it could be potentially filled the following week. Let's take it from this point down as close to the EMA as possible. Let's use the EMA essentially as a target so we can take profit close to the EMA, the weekly EMA, which is all the way down here. So now when I get onto the daily time frame, I notice that price is not on a bullish trend like the weekly. It's on a bearish trend. We broke the EMA, we broke structure, we broke a lot of stuff. Whenever price started to pull back, now is where I'm starting to get interested. I'm getting interested in this area to take a sell. So I just waited for my confirmations on the lower time frames once the daily showed me all of this price action. And also, price literally broke the neckline of the head and shoulders. This neckline right here, we broke, boom. Now we're pulling back to retest this area. Now on the 4 hour, this is where a lot of the work was done. I'm just waiting for some indecision to begin to show itself. Price started to push from this area, still no engulfing. So this is the first indecision candle. I did not take this trade only because I wanted to see price reject the EMA. Price never touched the EMA. We had this indecision candle, but it didn't show me anything on the lower time frames in order for me to take this trade right here. I had nothing to go off of to take this. So I never took the entry. At this point, I noticed how price got very close to giving me an engulfing, but we didn't get one. So I'm thinking now, London session, I want to see an engulfing or a shift of structure somewhere over here. and this is when I dropped down to the 1 hour. So at this point, I'm noticing price is doing the same thing. It's going up. I was confident that here shortly price would start to go in my favor. And I believe this is when I went on to the 30-minute, because I'm seeing how little structure is starting to shift. Price is starting to show me that it's very bearish in this area, and I'm starting to pay attention. If you kind of peep, you can kind of see how this is also starting to happen right here. Like, it kind of looks like, you feel me? After this happened, I dropped into the 30-minute. I now see how price broke the structure on the 30, and I got an engulfing right here. So this is January 7th. This is exactly when I took my entry. I took entry after this engulfing candle printed, and then obviously price filled me in a little bit lower. I waited for my entry signal. I took it right here. Price then started to go lower. And as you can see, we bled down. We're in profit, and I'm gonna show y'all, this is where I had my stop at. I had my stop loss above this high. This high would have been cool too, but I just chose this high because, yeah, gave a little bit of breathing room. And if I hit play, you'll see exactly how the rest of this trade played out. Beautiful. I had to get all those lines off, but beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Trade right here from the top to the bottom. We did top down with it on the daily. It looks like this. You can see price broke. We rejected this structure point, and now we're selling off. And this leaves us with today. And also, I would have seen about a 1 to 5 with this position. However, I'm good with just my 1 to 2. I'm happy with what I got, and I'm happy to start the year off the way I started it off. That was a trade breakdown. That was the trade that started me off this year. Nice, perfect textbook setup. Followed our rules, followed our trading plan. Went exactly to where we projected. You can't ask for nothing more. You can't ask for nothing more. You can't be too greedy. You know, I don't need the whole move. I just need a piece of it. And I need multiple trades that look exactly like that. I need multiple trades that mirror that. That's all I want. Oh yeah, also another thing. I have a whole Discord channel where I have members join in, and then we talk trading. We talk, you know, life in general. We set goals and we accomplish those goals. So if you are someone like that, or if that sounds interesting to you, then join the Discord community down below. Link in bio. Link in the description. If y'all want more videos, drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe this. That is it. That is all. That is everything for this video. I appreciate y'all for sticking around and tuning in. And until next time, man, I'm going to see y'all in the next video.